hearing that clicking noise on your Toyota Camry when you turn. Let's fix it now. First, loosen the axle nut while the car is still on the ground. Then lift the vehicle and remove the wheel. Next, take off the brake caliper and rotor to access the hub. Disconnect the lower ball joint and carefully slide the axle out of the hub. Now, pull the old CV joint out of the transmission. Be ready for a little fluid leak. Install the new CV joint by sliding it into the transmission until it locks in place. Refit the axle into the hub. Reconnect the ball joint. Reinstall the rotor and caliper. And torque down the axle nut. Finally, put the wheel back on and tighten the lug nuts. And that's it. No more clicking noise on your Camry. Subscribe for more fast DIY car repairs.